pangarap kong luxury car, muntik ko nang hindi mabili dahil sa car saleswoman na ito? Pero bago ko ipakita ng buo yung bago kong sasakyan, gusto ko munang ikwento kung paano halos di ko mabili tong sasakyan na to dahil lang sa isang car sales executive. Grabe, sobrang inis ko. So bakit ko nga ba hindi muntik mabili to? Bakit sobrang inis ko sa car sales executive na yon? Kaya ko lang ba to bina-vlog para mag-flex? Let's find out. So, to give you context, naisipan kong bumili ng sasakyan kasi ang huling bili ko pa last 7 years ago. Sa Dubai pa yun. Name ng sasakyan ko doon, si Yvonne. Mitsubishi Lancer 2014. Mahilig akong mag-modify ng sasakyan ko. Ito siya noon. Ito na siya ngayon. Ngayon, napapaisip ako. Since main base ko na ang Pinas, gusto ko din sana bumili ng sasakyan dito kasi nga para may service din ako dito. Since medyo afford ko naman, why not buy something that I like? So that's the time that I realized parang gusto ko ng scooter. Charis. Gusto ko ng BMW. Una kong pinuntahan ay yung BMW sa Eton. Nakita ko yung pasok sa budget ko. Yung BMW 318i M Sport. Tiningnan ko, chinik ko, tinest drive ko. Okay naman. Kaso parang may kulang. Yung looks, gusto ko sana mukhang sporty. Kaso ang style ng BMW na na-drive ko, super pang executive look. So nagtry ako maghanap ng iba. Chinek ko sa Toyota, sa Subaru, Honda, wala eh. And then, nadaanan namin isang European car brand. Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin ang brand, sasabihin ko mamaya kung bakit. Sabi ni Marvin, na kaibigan ko,
bakit hindi natin i-try?
So try, we did. Pumasok ako sa showroom ng car brand na yon. Ang ganda, super top-notch ng customer service. Doon ko nakilala si Miss Emerald. Di niya tunay na pangalan. Siya nag-assist sa akin. Honestly, I felt super at ease nung nag-demo siya ng sasakyan sa akin.
Ito na yung ano? Pwede mo ano niya?
Ano kasi? Ayan kasi! Naka-cellphone mo yan!
At kahit di ko pa kabisado ang mga car models kasi lagi kong nalilimutan, patient naman siyang i-explain sa akin. Then after numerous visits sa showroom, yung isang car model na yon ang nagustuhan ko. It won my heart. Pag pumasok ka, napaka-luxurious, ang elegant ng feel, also super smooth. So I decided to get that car brand and that specific car model. Kasi nga, my friends approved of it.
Oo nga bro, baka nakakayaman.
Ang social tingnan yan, bro.
Okay.
Bro, common na kasi yung BMW eh. Hindi na pampogi. Ew!
Ganda nga ng loob, bro.
Good morning, bro!
Gusto ko sana bilhin ng cash. Kasi nga, sabi ni Don Soriano,
Coming from a business perspective, I will never buy cash ng sasakyan. I would have used the money to buy an asset. Yun yung gagamitin kong pambili ng sasakyan.
so instead na bilhin ko ng cash, nilaan ko na lang yung cash pang dagdag ng asset. Nilagay ko sa Spartan House. House of Battle-Tested Editors. Additional venture ko to train editors na malulupit. So dito ko na lang nilagay yung pera na ibabayad ko sana ng cash and then i-loan ko na lang. So, the processing begins. A few back and forth between me and Miss Emerald for the documents. Then after a few weeks, I got an SMS from the bank saying, pero ba't ganon? Di ako excited. That's the time na na-realize ko, di ko pala talaga gusto yung sasakyan na yun. Parang ginusto ko lang siya kasi gusto lang siya ng mga friends ko. So nag-contemplate ako. Sa laki ng pera na bibitawan ko, dapat doon ako sa bagay na gusto ko. So I decided to look once again for a different prospect ng sasakyan. At doon ako napadpad sa BMW Green Hills. At doon ko nakita si Bellamy. Yes, yun ang pangalan ng bagong sasakyan ko. Yung 2-door BMW 218i M Sport. Totoo pala talaga yun, no? Kapag nakita mo na yung gusto mo, hindi ka na magdadalawang isip. Di tulad niya, nag-aapat na isip pa siya sa'yo. Charis. Nung una akong umupo kay Bellamy at in-start ko siya, it was love at first revolution. Kahit di ko pa natitest drive, nag-down na ako ng reservation na 100 pesos. Wala akong plan going there to reserve it, by the way ha. Pero here I am, giving 100,000 pesos ng ganon kabilis. Nasa cloud 9 ako nun, nang biglang nag-cross sa isip ko. Si Miss Emerald! Yung sasakyan na yun, na-approve na ako doon. Paano ko sasabihin? Tas, sa competitor pa ako bumili? Pero sabi ko, ready akong saluhin ang galit niya at frustrations. Kasi sa dami ko ba namang tinest drive with Miss Emerald, tas di pala ako kukuha. So, I messaged her. Drop the bomb na hindi ko na itutuloy yung pagkuha sa sasakyan. At inamin ko din na sa BMW na ang kukunin ko. At nung sinend ko na yung message at nakita ko ang reply niya, doon na ako sobrang nainis sa car sales executive na ito. Pero bago ko sasabihin yon, kwento ko lang pala muna yung dineliver na ni Miss Mylene yung sasakyan ko.
Very nice.
So, if in case naman na hindi na siya gumana, so, so, this one is unlock button. Automatic open na siya. Kasi dyan, so, meron kang big preference. So, let's say, mga gas status, yan sir, dyan yung sa tire monitoring. So, if in case na may flat dyan, any gulong, or any tire may lalabas dyan.
Ito yung sasakyan na binili ko na hindi ko pa na test drive.
Of course, dahil sa gusto kong i-protect ang paint ni Bellamy, I decided to wrap my car and I choose my brand color na red and black.
Are you ready?
Ready?
In 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Kaya panalo.
Sana nakuha namin yung...
Kuhang-kuha nyo, actually.
Ito na yun. This is it. This is your new car.
And super happy ako kasi ang ganda ng services dito sa Don Euro Carfoil. Wala akong masabi kay Sir Don na nag-asikaso sa akin at gumawa ng bagong BMW ko.
What we call presentation na ginawa natin sa sasakyan mo ngayon. How do you
Ganda.
feel?
Super. Na-exceed ang expectation ko. It was worth the wait.
Papatanggal ko na yung wrap ko for your back.
Ang ganda.
Happy?
Super.
I hope you are happy.
Galing, super nice.
At ito na guys yung unang makita ko si Bellamy. Balik tayo sa story ko about sa car sales executive na nakakainis. Sinend ko na yung message na di ako bibili sa kanya. I wanted to have a professional courtesy telling you na I went with BMW kasi it's more sporty look. I was contemplating few days pa about the look of that car that I was about to buy from you. However, I concluded na if I get the car that you're selling, I'll have to spend more in modding the body kit kasi di siya masyadong pasok sa taste ko. Earlier, I tried revisiting BMW and they had a display of the M2 two-door just for... I like it so much that I reserved it already. Thank you for assisting me. Because of you, tumaas ang standard ko in customer assistance. At ang nakakainis niyang reply ay...
No problem, Sir Darby. The important thing is you get your desired car. And I agree, sports car fits your personality. Thank you for informing me about your decision. Send me a picture, ha? Take care always.
Naiinis ako kay Miss Emerald kasi she broke my stereotype sa mga car salesperson. Naiinis ako kasi I automatically expected her to be transactional lang. Naiinis ako kasi I expected worse from her. But even if I decided not to buy what she was selling, she still assisted me with full care, transferring the loan from her company to the car company I chose. Now, the reason ba't di ko mailabas ang totoong name niya and their car company kasi I have asked her to vlog my great experience with her. Pero the company decided that if I do that, wag ko na lang daw banggitin ang car company nila. So, in respect, I won't. But no one can stop me in telling my experience to her. A world-class customer assistance here in the Philippines provided by Miss Emerald. Real talk. Now, her boss might tell her that you should have convinced him to buy our brand. And I'm telling you now, that won't be possible because I already have made a decision. But because of how she handled my experience, I will definitely refer it to all of my friends. Not because of just the car company itself, but because of Miss Emerald. And that she made me loyal to the brand. Kahit hindi ako bumili. And I'm telling you, in the future, I will buy one. And I'll make sure na sa kanya ako bibili. So for business owners out there who's listening and watching, if you want your clients to be loyal sa business nyo, you have to make sure that your staff is capable of delivering a service worth of loyalty. That car company has made sure that Miss Emerald was capable. I might have bought a BMW, but that car company, because of Miss Emerald, won my heart.
Empty road for